Hey, this is my video reply to everything Matt. Great video. I like the detail on how you get at the turn signal relay. I had hazards working, but turn signals started canceling themselves intermittently. They'd flash maybe 10 or 15 times and then cancel. And then they got to where they'd only flash 2 or 3 times, and they got to where they normally wouldn't flash at all. Occasionally might flash once or twice. Following your video, I took out this original relay I have here. I noticed when I put my finger on it, it would click. Of course, when I have the hazards on, every time the hazards would go, it would click every time they lit up. And then also, I noticed when I did have the ignition on and hit a turn signal and move the turn signal lever, the relay would click, but generally no lights, just occasionally. And I plugged in this baby. I didn't go for the capacitor replacement like you did. That's cool though. I like that. But I went for the not cheap, but the easy route. Went to O'Reilly's and got this $15 non-Ford relay, which I noticed is missing a pin. Like the original Ford relay has this little pin right here. So it's got 6 pins. This aftermarket jobby only has 5, but it doesn't seem to matter because I plugged this baby in. And I have turn signals now. They seem to be going a little faster than with the stock Ford relay, but I'm happy to have turn signals. It's quick and dirty. And yeah, it's a great video, Matt. Thank you.